A teacher from Sikar named Sharma sir reportedly walks into a police station at 1:30 in the night, warning officers that questions from a guessing paper were matching the real NEET exam. But they thought it was just a rumor or an exaggeration. So the warning was ignored, and the students had no idea that within a few days, the future of nearly 22 lakh NEET aspirants would suddenly fall into uncertainty. But days later, when an email finally reached NTA, the entire system suddenly woke up, and from that moment, the story only became darker. The CBI stepped into the case. Arrests reportedly started happening from Jaipur, Gurugram, and Nasik. And slowly the country began realizing that this was not just a small paper leak. This was a collapse of trust involving nearly 22 lakh students fighting for around 1 lakh medical seats. While the country was sleeping peacefully at night, lakhs of NEET aspirants were awake inside a tiny hostel rooms at 2 a.m., sacrificing sleep, festival, family, and peace just to chase one dream, becoming a doctor. Some parents sold land, some mothers gave away their gold and savings, because for poor and middle class students, hard work is the only money and need is the biggest hope to change their life. And after years of sacrifice, one message changed everything: paper leak. Suddenly, students across the country started hearing shocking reports that a PDF containing important NEET questions had already started circulating before the exam. Not just a few questions, more than 100 questions were reportedly matching. Biology questions, chemistry questions, even the sequence of questions. And that is when fear slowly started turning into anger. Because students across the country started asking one painful question: if this much was leaked, then what exactly was secure? The most disturbing part is that many students reportedly did not even know they were looking at the real paper. At first, it spread like an ordinary guest paper through Telegram groups, WhatsApp chats, coaching circles, and private contacts. Then slowly, reports of money deals started coming out: 3,000, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and some allegations even mentioned deals worth rupees 30 to 50 lakhs. Names like Prashant Kirath, Akash Banerjee, former Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, and journalists from Indian Express openly started questioning how such a massive exam system could fail again and again. Even organizations linked to Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh reportedly demand strict action against NTA officials. And suddenly, honest students started feeling something terrifying. What is the value of hard work if something can buy success? Because this is not the first controversy. 2021, 2022, and now 2026. Again NEET, again leak allegations, again investigations, again promises. And every single time, it is the honest student who suffers the most. Imagine studying honestly for years and finally scoring around 650 marks. Imagine calling your parents after the exam and saying, "Mom, I think I am finally becoming a doctor." Imagine your village celebrating you, your relatives proudly talking about you, your parents finally believing that every sacrifice was worth it, and then suddenly exam cancelled. Now imagine the fear inside the student's mind. What if the next exam becomes harder? What if pressure destroys my performance? That fear is real, and that is exactly why this issue became emotional across the entire country. And now once again the matter has reached the Supreme Court. But honestly, the biggest fear today is not just corruption. The biggest fear is what happens when an entire generation slowly starts losing trust in honesty itself. Because students can survive hard work, students can survive pressure, students can survive failure. But when honest students stop believing that hard work will reward fairly, that is when the real danger begins. And right now, millions of students across the India are silently asking the same painful question: we worked hard honestly, so why does honesty feel defeated?